Today, we're going to talk about using EduCreations for formative assessment. The first step is to get to the EduCreations website and click Login. I already have an account, so I'm going to log into it, and as soon as we log in, it takes me right to my lessons. Now, if you have no lessons created, this page will be blank. I already have some lessons created, and I can look at them here, but what we're going to do today is create a new lesson. So we go up to the right-hand corner and click the Create New Lesson button. It takes us right to a blank screen. On the top of the screen, there are multiple colors, which are the colors that you can use for writing. There is a block eraser, record, and exit, and that's pretty much all we're going to use today for a straightforward formative assessment. One of my favorite ways to use this is in math, and I will have given my kids a Post-it that has a math problem on it. It's usually a custom Post-it with a math problem that's just right as a formative assessment for that particular kid. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a color. My favorite is green, and I'm going to pretend that I'm writing down the math problem from my formative assessment. Now, at this point, the kids will be pushing the record button. I want to record every single thing that they're doing on EduCreations, for how they're lining up the tens and the ones on a math problem to how they're forming their numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and click record and show you what it's like when somebody is actually recording on EduCreations. Here we go. 32 plus 9 equals, well, 9 plus 2 equals 11, and that's a 10 and a 1. So my 1 goes here, and my 10s go up here with the other 10s. 3 plus 1 equals 4, so my answer is 41. So at this point, my first grader clicks the Save button, like you just saw, and they have three choices. They can save what they wrote if they feel confident that it's what they want me to see. They can preview it, or if they want to start over, they can start over. Let's take a look at preview, because most of my kids like to preview their work before they submit it. And the preview page has a play button, and if we play, I won't play the whole thing, you'll see that it basically shows what we already recorded. 32 plus 9. So I just paused it, but this is basically a way for me to assess every step of my kids' math thinking on a particular math problem. I'm going to click Finish right now, and let's say I'm my student and I want to save it. I go ahead and click Save, and then I'm going to give it a title. Now, the best way I've found to keep all of the lessons straight is for my first graders to actually put in their name. So let's say that my first grader's name is Lori, and this was addition with regrouping. I'm going to add that in here now so that I know exactly what it is. I'm going to click Create, and the lesson is saved. And there it is, Lori addition with regrouping, all on one line, so that I know exactly what it is that my students are doing. Hope you enjoyed this lesson on formative assessment with EduCreations.